Hi Maple Park. Today you're going to be taking the MTSS preferences for next year so you can look through the different descriptors and you can choose the classes that you are interested in. And then when we go to enroll you, we will do our best to get you into those different classes that are going to be offered. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to enter your student ID. After you enter your student ID, you're going to enter your last name and then your first name. We're going to select gender, and then we're going to start reading through the different descriptors of classes that we're going to offer for your grade next year. So the first one says Maple Art. If that sounds really interesting to you after you read the descriptor, then you're going to say, yes, I think that's my #1 choice, and you're going to go ahead and click a 1. Okay, as you go through the different ones, you want to choose your second choice. So if I say babysitting is my second choice, and then maybe this low impact cardio endurance sounds really awesome, I'm going to choose 3. And I'm going to keep doing that until I get 8 choices. Okay, so after you hit your 8th choice, and I select that, then I'm going to go back and every other thing, I'm going to click a 0. So go through each and every one and click a 0. If you don't do that, at the end, it's not going to let you submit. So everywhere you see this little red star, that means you have to have an answer for each one. So go through there, make sure every single one is marked with a 0 that you do not want, and then you're coming down to the bottom and you're going to hit submit. Once you hit submit, you will not be able to change your responses. So you want to make sure that you take this very seriously because this will help determine your classes for next year for MTSS. Have a great day, Maple Park.